After everything this car has been through, this drive felt different. The cooling issues were finally behind me. The car was running strong, and for the first time in a while, I could actually focus on the road instead of wondering what might go wrong next. It finally felt like the 996 was coming back together. Blood Mountain was the first time I really got to push this car. And honestly, the 996 did great. But I kept feeling this vibration from the rear, right? And before now, I knew my left motor mount was shut from when I did the expansion tank upgrade. Before this car sees the next mountain run, let's go ahead and swap out this old worn out mounts for some new ones. Wow. Once I put them side by side, the difference was pretty obvious. The old mounts had collapsed quite a bit, and the new ones sat noticeably taller. That definitely explained the movement I have been feeling this whole time while on the mountain. With the difference confirmed, it was time to get the new mount in and see if the car would finally feel the way it should. Okay, the difference was immediate. Pulling away felt smoother, the rear of the car felt settled, and the shake I've been chasing this whole time was finally gone. The shifts felt cleaner too, and for the first time in a while, nothing was distracting me from driving this car. That's really what I wanted out of this fix. Now the 996 feels ready for whatever road it gets next. Let's go.